Namaste everyone and welcome to Test with Ayush. I am Ayush, and if you're here, you're probably curious about software testing and how to kickstart your career in software testing. So in today's video, we'll break down what is ISTQB CTFL, why it's important, and how it can help you grow as a software tester. So stick around, it'll be short, simple, and to the point. First things first, let's talk about ISTQB. ISTQB stands for International Software Testing Qualifications Board. It is basically a global organization that sets the standard for certifying software testers. So whenever you pass an ISTQB exam, you get a certificate that is recognized by companies worldwide. Now, what is CTFL? CTFL stands for Certified Tester Foundation Level. It is basically the entry-level certification offered by ISTQB. You can think of it as your first step into the world of software testing. So the syllabus for CTFL covers all the basics that you will need to get started, like the testing fundamentals, including what is testing, why it's important, all the testing life cycles and processes, including how testing fits into the software development life cycle, and the techniques and tools required for successful testing practices, including common methods and test case design. So it is the perfect blend for beginners or anyone in general who wants to switch to a software testing career or who wants to kickstart their software testing career. Now, you may ask, why bother with this certification? Here's the deal. Since I completed my ISTQB CTFL certification, it helped me build a strong foundation in software testing concepts. It is globally recognized certification and has no expiry. It's valid throughout my lifetime, and it opened a whole lot of job opportunities for me, especially a lot of interviews when I was just starting out. So even if you have some experience, ISTQB will give you a structured way to understand the testing concepts even better. Now, you may ask, how is the CTFL exam structured? So the CTFL exam is very straightforward. It is a multiple choice exam with 40 questions. You'll have 60 minutes to complete it, and to pass, you'll just need to score around 65%. That is only 26 correct answers out of 40. And the best part, there are no prerequisites. You don't need any prior testing experience or any degree to be eligible for this exam. So that was a quick intro into the ISTQB CTFL. If you are planning to start your testing journey, this certification is a great place to begin. In the next video, we'll answer some of the most common questions, like how to register for the exam, what is the cost, and how to start preparing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next videos in the series, and see you soon. Goodbye.